you can definitely milk WhatsApp AI. So I've used AI to build websites. I've used AI to do plethora of things. I've used AI to write ebooks for clients. I've used AI to make a lot of money online. And if I were you, I'm going to pay attention to this, and I'm going to pay attention to learning proper prompt engineering. Hey, yo guys, Arakun Damola here again. And in this video, I want to quickly walk you through how to get the WhatsApp Meta AI chatbot. All right, this is an updated feature of WhatsApp. All right, which I think is really cool. If you know me, I'm really big on ChatGPT. I'm big on AI. I'm big on artificial intelligence. All right, because I believe AI is the future. I believe AI is the future, and I believe if you know and learn how to actually match or merge AI with your own skill set, you will definitely go far in the tech world. All right, and if this sounds like fun for you, I would like for you to come, to my WhatsApp as I show you how to get the WhatsApp AI chatbot and how to actually, make use of it to drive more eyeballs to your business and anything at all that you do. All right. So I'm going to come to my WhatsApp like so. Okay, and right here is the AI the Meta AI chart bot. This is it right here. And also you can actually search for something right here and then make use of any of these tools. I've not really make use of them. I'm currently trying them to see exactly what these features are, but basically this is where you get the chart right here, and you just have to come here and it says ask Meta AI anything, ask Meta AI anything, and then you see all of these things right here. But first of all, how do you get this particular tool or this particular feature is the question you are asking me right now. Oh, Arakun Damola, you are talking too much. Can you please show us how to get this feature? First off, let me tell you this. All right, this feature is not yet on WhatsApp business. All right, it's not yet there. I've tried to look for it and I've tried to get a link, a direct link from here. All right, and just try to use it on the WhatsApp business, but it did not work. However, I'm going to be dropping that link in my YouTube description, or the description of this video, for you, so that you can just click directly on it and then it will take you through this particular page where you can ask the AI anything. But right now, let us go back to showing you how to get the AI. So what you want to do is come to Play Store right on your phone. All right, if you're using Android, all right, you come to Play Store like that and then you search for WhatsApp. Okay, you search for WhatsApp, and then if you have not yet updated your WhatsApp, you see here, I've updated my WhatsApp to the latest version. If you have not yet updated your WhatsApp to the latest version, what you have to do is to simply click update. And then once you are updated, you can go back to your WhatsApp and you would already see this feature. However, for some of you, you might not see this feature. It depends on the particular region you are, surfing from, because WhatsApp is currently rolling this out to different regions, different countries. So if you are fortunate, you will probably see this feature already on your phone. All right, but if not, you just have to probably wait or probably try to use any of your friends' phone or your brother's. It might just be there. All right, so let us just get back to this place and ask the AI anything. So right here, once you click the chat, it's going to say ask Meta AI anything, get answers to any questions, see recommendations, find information, and learn new skills, express yourself, generate unique images. Now, one good thing I love about this is that it helps you to generate unique images. I've seen this in action from other YouTubers who have created helpful stuff like this. I'm talking about guys like Niyi Amoda, who is one major YouTuber that I really love and respect on this platform. All right, and he has used it to generate a lot of stuff. And if you have tried with Dali or you've tried with Bing AI, you would probably know what I'm talking about. AI generating unique images for you. Dali is a very good one, and Bing AI is another very good one that generates good images. And of course, Midjourney is another one that is also very cool. All right, but then this can also be tested. It just depends on how well you are able to engineer your prompt engineering is important. Like I used to say to my students, it is important for you to learn how to prompt, and how to write prompts, because without proper prompts, you are just going to be another guy who is trying to use AI that is not finding results. So I've used AI to build websites. I've used AI to do plethora of things. I've used AI to write ebooks for clients. I've used AI to make a lot of money online. And you can definitely milk WhatsApp AI. If I were you, I'm going to pay attention to this, and I'm going to pay attention to learning proper prompt engineering. If you want to learn proper prompt engineering, you just have to slide to my DM, and I will be able to walk you through that. I can even do that for you for, a little coins. It's not going to be for free, but a little coins. I'm going to show you the nooks and the crannies of how to, tap into the crazy world of AI. All right. So the last one, it says personal messages stay private. So it simply means that this is not going to be shared to anyone. It's just between you and the AI, just like we chat with ChatGPT. All right. So I'm just going to keep continue like that. All right. So what you want to do next is what? You simply want to say, hey, Meter, what's good? Just checking in. What are you made of? You see, it's all about English, right? What are you made of? It's all about English. That's what prompt engineering really is about. There's nothing more to prompt engineering. It's all about typing English. All right, that is what it simply means. You just have to be creative. If you know me, I talk a lot about creativity. If you are creative, you are definitely going to milk this AI engines, AI algorithms, and softwares. All right, so I'm going to type that in, and it's going to respond to me. So it says, hello, I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. I'm a large language model. All right, which means I'm a software program designed to process and generate human-like text. My primary components: training data, a massive data set of text from various sources, including books, articles, and websites, algorithms, advanced machine learning techniques that enable me to learn from the training data and generate responses. Neural networks, a type of machine learning model that mimic the structure and function of the human brain. Compute resources. Oh, awesome. Awesome. Oh, awesome. I'm just going to type that in. I'm going to say, okay, can you, okay, can you write me a 20 to 30 words WhatsApp marketing blog for a dreadlocks Nigerian brand. I mean, it doesn't get any better than this, right? You see, here's a 20 to 30 word WhatsApp marketing blog for a dreadlock Nigerian brand. Embrace your roots with Royal Locks Nigeria. Get expertly crafted, beautifully maintained dreadlocks that celebrate your cultural heritage. Book your appointment today. Let me know if you'd like me to make any adjustment. Now, this is actually really beautiful. I think this is cool. I mean, Jafar earlier yesterday was talking about how beautiful this is because he himself has been trying it. And if you know Jafar also right here on YouTube, you know that this guy is big on AI. This guy has literally made more than $15,000 from using ChatGPT, all right, to write books and do different stuff on Upwork and Fiverr. See, this is super huge. If you're like me, you want to tap into this, because I think I like the way this thing is writing for me. I think I like it. It's really good. It's really good. Now let us create an image. Now let me say, can you create a logo design for me for a brand named Royal Locks Nigeria? I mean, since it suggested this brand name, let us just follow it up with that. All right. Amazing. Amazing. This is super nice. This is super dope. Look at it. Crisp. Royal Locks Nigeria. Wow, amazing. You can simply download this and then go and remove the background with the video that I have on my channel on how to use Photo Room to remove background. This is super nice. This is super nice. Now let us follow it up with creating a prompt like can you create something for can you create a logo for my brother's barbing salon named Toby Smith. uh Baba's Cafe. All right. Let's see what is going to generate. All right. Amazing. It is still giving me Royal Locks. I said Toby Smith Baba's Cafe, not Royal Locks. But I like this. I love this other logo that it has generated. This is also dope, but that's not what I want. That's not what I want. Okay, yes, it brought it out. Toby Smith Baba's Cafe. Wow, this is a very fantastic logo. Wow, wow, this is actually really nice. This is actually really nice. Wow, I love this. Now let us create a human being. So I'm going to say, now create for me a hyper a hyper realistic a hyper realistic image of a boy stealing a chicken whilst his mother is in his pursuit. All right. I don't know. Let's see if it's gonna bring anything out for us. I said hyper realistic. Wow, this is super nice. Okay, this is hyper realistic, but then there is nobody pursuing this guy, and this chicken is too big for this boy. Um, generate another. I would say make it super realistic, and the boy should be running away from his mother or auntie. All right. Okay. Let us see something. Okay, this is another one. But I still am not liking it. I need it to be more expressive and super realistic. Okay, I'm not going to push it any further, but I believe that you have seen how to get this particular tool and how to use it. But what I'm going to do is that I'm going to take a moment to create, or rather structure better prompts, all right, and create another video where I'm going to use all of those prompts to create different business scenarios, all right, and all of those prompts will be shared in a template that anybody can use. All right, I believe that this is a very good one. If you think this is a very good one, please put it in the comment section to say that, okay, this is dope, this is dope, or 100% cool, you know, all of those, you know, terms. Put it in the comment section. I would really love that. All right, and also make sure that if you have watched this point, like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on the post notifications so that YouTube can show you more of this kind of useful and helpful videos. Now, can you see now that it has actually brought something really nice? Now, this guy is actually dope. This guy is carrying the chicken and he's running, and the mother is actually pursuing him, and there is another chicken right here eating a grain from the floor. Now, this is actually really dope. This is so dope. You can use this, you can do more of this. You just have to be really creative. If you can allow your imaginative soar, you will definitely, you know, come up with better ideas, better stuff, better business projections with this particular tool. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you once again. My name is Harakun Damola. Peace out.